Hello food lovers! Today, we have an incredible kitchen tool that will make your cooking experience easier and save you time. Introducing the 4-in-1 Kitchen Knife Accessories, a fantastic 3-stage knife sharpener that not only repairs, restores, and polishes your knives but also includes a cut-resistant glove for added safety. With this tool, you can sharpen all your kitchen knives in just a few moments. Let's dive in to see how it works and why it's a must-have for your kitchen. Product features and usage. 1. 3-stage knife sharpening system. This product's standout feature is its 3-stage sharpening system, which is highly effective for sharpening, restoring, and polishing. First, use the coarse slot to repair any damage on your knife or blade. Next, run it through the medium slot to restore its sharpness, and finally, finish with the fine slot for that perfect polish, making your blade as good as new. 2. Cut-resistant gloves. This product comes with a cut-resistant glove to ensure safety while sharpening. The glove is made of high-quality material and protects your hands and fingers during the sharpening process. 3. Budget-friendly. This product is affordable and allows you to easily sharpen all your kitchen knives and blades, making it a cost-effective solution compared to buying new knives. 4. Easy to use and handle. The sharpener's ergonomic, non-slip handle provides a comfortable grip, ensuring smooth sharpening with no hassle. You'll have no trouble completing the task safely and efficiently. Amazon customer reviews. This product has received numerous positive reviews on Amazon. Customers have praised it for being effective, especially for reviving the sharpness of old knives. Many have called it an essential tool for their kitchen. One user mentioned, "The sharpener worked wonders on all my knives, and the cut-resistant glove kept my hands completely safe." These reviews indicate it's truly a reliable and high-quality product. The 4-in-1 Kitchen Knife Accessories can make your kitchen tasks easier while restoring your old knives to their original sharpness. If you need a budget-friendly, efficient, and safe sharpening system, this product is for you. Check out the link below and don't miss the chance to see this in action. Buy this product and put all your worries about knife sharpening to rest.